Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers and curious minds. Welcome to our exciting YouTube channel. Today, we're embarking on a mind-bending journey that will push the boundaries of our technological world. In this video, we'll explore the intriguing world of artificial intelligence, uncovering the limits that shape its abilities. Join us as we unravel the intricate connection between humans and machines, and celebrate the exceptional skills that set us apart and make us truly irreplaceable. Let's jump into the action and teach those robots a lesson they'll never forget. Are you pumped up to level up? Let's go! Number 1. Emotional Intelligence. EQ is like having a superpower that helps you smoothly sail through social situations, effortlessly understanding and handling emotions. It's something that sets humans apart from robots because we have this natural ability to truly grasp and connect on an emotional level. Unfortunately, not everyone possesses this amazing superpower. Many people struggle to understand their own emotions and show empathy towards others. While robots may attempt to imitate emotions, they simply can't measure up. It's like comparing a light drizzle to a thunderstorm. There's really no comparison at all. Now let's shift gears and talk about teaching. Sure, AI can replace average teachers, but the truly exceptional ones go way beyond textbooks. They tap into their emotional intelligence and adapt their teaching methods to suit the unique needs of each student. They understand that one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work anymore, and they have the incredible ability to bring out the best in every individual student. Number 2. Creativity. Creativity is a force of nature, liberating us from conformity and leading us to unexplored realms of the mind. It's the spark that sets our ideas apart, painting vibrant pictures of possibility. While robots mimic, they lack the essence, the uniqueness that makes our creativity soar. Imagine a maze, a robot confined to its programmed path, unaware of conventional solutions just beyond its walls. But armed with creativity, we break barriers, think outside the box, and discover extraordinary answers. In a future where AI and humans coexist, it's our creative prowess that distinguishes us. We dream, draw inspiration, and create masterpieces that defy expectations. Enter the realm of gastronomy, where flavors dance and palates are enchanted. AI may assist, but only a master chef's brilliance shines. They play with ingredients, experiment boldly, and compose a culinary symphony, a touch only a human can provide. Number 3. Leadership. Future leaders of the world, get ready for an exhilarating journey into the captivating realm of leadership. Discover how true leaders ignite sparks of inspiration and rally teams towards epic triumphs. Leadership is a superhero power that fuels motivation and transforms individuals into an unstoppable force. Imagine a sports team without a charismatic leader. The magic quickly fizzles out. Robots may excel in many areas, but when it comes to inspiring and motivating others, they fall flat. Leadership is a thrilling dance of understanding, tapping into motivation, recognizing strengths, and propelling teams to new heights. A true leader uplifts spirits, injects confidence, and creates an environment where greatness thrives. Number 4. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is your secret weapon, your mind-magnifying lens to unravel the mysteries of the world. AI may be fast, but it lacks the human touch. Embrace the big picture, make connections, and experience those aha moments that give you goosebumps. Critical thinking blends logic and intuition, empowering you to make tough choices and have real impact. Arm yourself with curiosity and open-mindedness, and dive into the depths of information. Every challenge overcome unlocks new levels of intellect, making you a true champion. Beware, the path ahead is exhilarating and challenging, but within these challenges, your brilliance shines. Unlock the mysteries, shape a future of innovation, and embrace limitless possibilities. You hold the key to a world of discoveries. Number 5. Interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication is the secret code that goes beyond words, decoding nonverbal cues and fostering genuine connections. Robots may try, but they lack the finesse of empathy and understanding. It's the magic that breathes life into conversations, creating authentic bonds and nurturing trust. In a digital world, its power shines brighter than ever, transcending virtual barriers. So, join the adventure of interpersonal communication, sharpen your intuition, fine-tune your listening skills, and unleash the power of connection. Weave meaningful relationships filled with excitement, warmth, and magic. Number 6. Flexibility and adaptability. Flexibility and adaptability are your secret superpowers, empowering you to conquer uncertainty. Robots may excel at specific tasks, but they lack the finesse and quick thinking needed to tackle the unknown. Imagine yourself as a fearless adventurer, exploring uncharted realms armed with nothing but wit and curiosity. With flexibility and adaptability by your side, you fear no challenge and navigate chaos with ease. While robots rely on data and instructions, you thrive in uncertainty, finding innovative solutions and turning obstacles into stepping stones. Embrace the thrill of the unknown and unleash your full potential. Number 7. Empathy. Empathy is the key to profound human relationships, setting us apart from artificial intelligence. Imagine slipping into someone else's shoes, decoding their emotions, and becoming a master of human connection. Empathy empowers you to nurture, support, and be the ultimate conflict resolution guru. You radiate warmth and compassion, sensing when someone needs understanding or a gentle push. AI may have data, but it can't comprehend the complexities of human emotions like you can. Embrace your empathetic superpowers, unlocking the secrets of the human heart and forging deep connections. Together, let's create a world where empathy triumphs and genuine human connection thrives. Unleash your empathy and change the world. Number 8. Cultural intelligence. Cultural intelligence is your superpower, unlocking the secrets of diverse traditions and ways of thinking. Imagine having a backstage pass to the grand show of human expression. With cultural intelligence, you'll understand trends, fashion, and subcultures, connecting with people on a profound level. Embrace the vibrant tapestry of humanity, immersing yourself in different societies. No AI can replicate the human connection that comes from cultural intelligence. Be the life of the cultural party, bridging gaps, fostering understanding, and setting trends. Your ability to navigate diverse perspectives will contribute to a world of unity and appreciation. Number 9. Decision making. AI is a superhero waiting for our cue, but it needs our guidance to make a move. We hold the key to unlock its true potential. We're the architects of its destiny, infusing purpose to its digital veins. Let's identify the challenges worth conquering and the frontiers waiting to be explored. Embrace the partnership between human brilliance and AI brilliance. Together, we'll revolutionize industries and shape a future beyond imagination. It's time to take the stage, call the shots, and unleash the full potential of AI. The adventure awaits and the possibilities are endless. Number 10. Strategic thinking. Robots may be fast, but they lack the imagination that fuels strategic thinking. Embrace your inner strategist and become a superhero of innovation. Chart a course for greatness, make informed decisions, and craft a roadmap to success. Seize opportunities, anticipate trends, and stay ahead of the game. Unleash your creativity and visionary spirit. In the realm of strategic thinking, there are no limits. Paint a canvas of innovation and transform it into a legend. Number 11. Intuition. Picture a robot attempting to solve a mind-boggling magic trick, analyzing every detail, but still puzzled. Intuition is the missing piece that sets us apart. It guides us in making life's crucial decisions, sensing what numbers can't. Intuition is your internal compass, revealing the right path and detecting red flags. AI can't grasp those subtle signals or gut feelings. When your intuition warns you, pay attention, even if AI suggests otherwise. Embrace your intuition like a magician's secret. It keeps humans ahead, making confident choices. Let robots analyze, but trust your intuition to navigate the maze of possibilities. Number 12. Negotiation and speaking of trusting. Imagine two emotionless AI entities stuck in an endless loop, attempting to negotiate without compromise or understanding. Negotiation is a dance of human interaction, where empathy and adaptability take center stage. While AI crunches data, it lacks the secret sauce of human touch that builds connections and unlocks innovative solutions. Trust in your own superpowers. Tap into empathy and unleash your creativity. In the world of negotiation, human brilliance shines and electrifies the arena. Step into the ring and show the world the power of the human touch. Number 13. Humor. Imagine a comedy club, the stage illuminated and anticipation filling the air. But instead of a human comedian, it's a robot that takes the spotlight. While the AI may deliver clever jokes, it can't evoke uproarious laughter or connect with an audience like we humans can. Entertaining is in our DNA. We create genuine connections, whisking people away on emotional roller coasters. It's about charisma, stage presence, and adapting to the crowd. AI can't replicate our swagger, charm, or ability to improvise. So, let's celebrate the irreplaceable magic of human entertainers who make us laugh until our cheeks ache, reminding us of the power of human creativity and shared laughter. Number 14. Resilience. In a world dominated by AI, two groups emerge: those who settle for mediocrity and those who leverage AI to accomplish 10 times more. The ambitious trailblazers shoot ahead, fueled by unwavering emotions and resilience. AI can provide guidance, but it's up to you to push yourself to new heights. So, will you settle or rise above? Embrace the AI revolution, harness its power, and rewrite the rules. With resilience as your ally, unleash your potential and create a future where your accomplishments knows no bounds. Number 15. Self-awareness. Embrace self-awareness amidst the rise of AI. It's your unique superpower. While AI excels at tasks, it can't replicate our audacity, innovation, and ability to shape the world. Don't panic. AI is a tool to enhance our achievements. By cultivating self-awareness, we navigate the changing landscape with purpose. With the indomitable human spirit, we dream big and make an impact that AI can't match. Seize the moment and let your extraordinary abilities shine. If you enjoyed this video and found it inspiring, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. We would love to have you as part of our community. And don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. We want to hear your thoughts and insights on the unbeatable skills that make us stand out in this AI-dominated world. So, let's start a conversation and share our perspectives. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.